Hello, and welcome to Rolling Wheels.
This isn't just another RV. This front-end design is built for real road dominance, and there's a reason these headlights look this aggressive. That massive windshield isn't just for looks, it gives you a full panoramic driving view, and those heavy-duty wipers are built for extreme weather. These extended mirrors are critical on a vehicle this size. They dramatically reduce blind spots, which makes a huge difference on highways. This entry door is larger than standard for a reason: easier access, stronger hinges, and built for long-term durability. This paint isn't just about shine, it's designed to handle harsh weather, while these tinted windows help control heat and add privacy. And this is where it gets interesting. These roof-mounted solar panels let you generate your own power and stay off-grid for days without relying on hookups. The rear design isn't just for looks, it's built to improve balance, add storage efficiency, and maintain stability during long highway drives. These rear steps are designed with anti-slip grip and strong support, making entry and exit safe even in rain, mud, or uneven terrain conditions. On this side, you'll notice the same high build quality, clean panel alignment, and consistent finish that defines a truly premium motorhome build. These heavy-duty tires are built for long-distance travel, while the reinforced rims help distribute weight properly and improve overall road stability and control. These rear lights are engineered for maximum visibility, helping other drivers clearly see you even in low light, fog, or nighttime driving conditions. This system is designed for efficiency and durability, helping the engine perform smoothly while optimizing fuel usage over long-distance travel and extended road trips. Underneath, you'll find a reinforced structure built to handle rough roads, protect critical components, and ensure long-term durability in demanding driving environments. Everything on this roof is placed with purpose, from solar panels to ventilation systems, all working together to support long-term off-grid living. Now imagine taking this across the country. Would you head toward the mountains, the coast, or somewhere completely off the grid first? This fuel port is positioned for quick and easy access, making refueling simple and efficient, especially when you're traveling long distances across multiple states. This battery system powers everything inside, giving you reliable energy whether you're parked overnight or living off-grid for extended periods of time. These windows are built for insulation and noise reduction, helping maintain interior comfort while blocking heat during the day and retaining warmth at night. These hinges and locking systems are built for security and durability, designed to handle constant use while keeping everything safe during travel or overnight stops. This exterior finish does more than look good. It protects the body from weather, road debris, and long-term wear while maintaining that premium appearance. This cockpit is designed for full control and visibility, with everything placed within easy reach, making long-distance driving feel smooth, comfortable, and completely stress-free. This steering wheel comes with built-in controls, allowing you to manage key features easily without taking your hands off while staying focused on the road. This digital display shows real-time driving information clearly, giving you instant access to speed, system status, and everything you need during the drive. This driver's seat is built for long hours, offering strong support, soft cushioning, and a design that helps reduce fatigue during extended road trips. From this angle, you can really feel the space, as the open layout creates a clean and modern driving environment that doesn't feel cramped at all. These door controls manage windows and locks smoothly, and their placement feels natural, allowing quick access without distracting you from driving. This automatic gear shifter is designed for smooth transitions, making it easier to handle a vehicle of this size, especially in traffic or tight driving situations. The center console keeps everything organized and within reach, helping the driver stay focused while still having full control over important features. And this extra legroom makes a real difference, giving you more comfort and freedom, especially when driving for long hours without feeling restricted. As you move closer, you start realizing this isn't just about the exterior. Even the entry feels premium, with a wide, welcoming access designed for comfort. And the moment you step inside, it completely changes. A full living space opens up, with a comfortable sofa and a proper dining setup right ahead. This seating area is designed for real comfort, with soft cushioning and a layout that actually feels like a living room, not just a vehicle interior. And right here, you get a proper dining setup, giving you a dedicated space to eat, work, or just sit down and relax comfortably. This kitchen setup is surprisingly practical, with a clean counter and sink design that makes everyday use simple, even during long trips on the road. Up here, you've got smart storage space, with cabinets designed to keep everything organized while still maintaining that clean and premium interior look. The lighting inside creates a warm and relaxing atmosphere, making the entire space feel cozy, especially during evenings or when you're parked overnight. And moving into the bedroom, you get a full sleeping setup, with a comfortable bed that actually feels like something you'd expect in a real home. This wardrobe space adds real functionality, giving you enough room to store clothes and essentials for longer trips without feeling limited on space. Even the bathroom area is well designed, with a clean sink and mirror setup that keeps things simple, functional, and easy to use. And right here, you've got a proper shower space, designed to be compact yet practical, so you don't lose comfort while traveling. When you look at the full interior like this, it really feels complete, not just a vehicle, but a fully functional living space on wheels. At this point, it's no longer just about features or design, it's about how this motorhome completely redefines what travel and living on the road really means. And when you're sitting inside looking out like this, it makes you seriously think about the kind of freedom and lifestyle this kind of vehicle could actually offer you. This isn't just an interior space built for travel, it's a complete lifestyle environment where comfort, practicality, and long-distance living all come together in one place. When you take a step back and look at the full build like this, you realize it's not designed for short trips, it's built for a completely different way of living. So the real question is simple and personal: if you had the chance, would you actually choose this kind of life on the open road?